The Donald J. Trump State Park is a 436-acre undeveloped state park located in Westchester County and Putnam County, New York. It was donated in 2006 by Donald Trump as a state park. Maintenance on this park was discontinued in 2010 due to monetary restraints. The park remains largely undeveloped as of this date. Highland Hill Farm of Fountainville, PA, has announced that we are offering the state of New York $10 million cash for this parcel of ground. Highland Hill Farm plans to use this ground and develop it as a tree farm and nursery. Highland Hill Farm grows trees and shrubs in Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA. We have several locations in New York where we have trees. We also have trees in Virginia, North Carolina, Tennessee. We also have operations in Montana and New Mexico. We are able to raise the funds to buy this property to use as a tree farm and nursery growing operation. We plan to have a cut Christmas tree operation where New York locals can come and cut Christmas trees at Christmas time. And also we intend to grow nursery stock for ornamental and landscaping uses. We will be proud to turn this park into a productive farm once again. If you would like us to do that, please call the governor of New York and ask him to consider our offer for purchase of this park. Thank you.
Give us a call at Highland Hill Farm for your trees and shrubs. 215-651-8329. We ship from Fountainville, PA, Milan, PA, Lenore, North Carolina, and McMinnville, Tennessee. Thank you.